Hello everyone, Hamil here. Just going through my current position on ZTS, and earnings are on Tuesday, so market is closed on Monday. So just wanted to figure out what I'm going to do and create a plan of action for that. So again, these are my thoughts and what I am planning on doing. So if you're holding a position, please make sure you have your own plan as well. So this is the stock I'm talking about, ZTS. So it is in the healthcare sector. It is more towards the animal medication. So this is where I entered. I've been holding it since then. And let's look at some information and then we'll come back to this chart. Let's look at the weekly setup. So this is the weekly setup. So it is forming a double bottom on a weekly chart. If you look at the sponsorship, it has been broadening. Some very good mutual funds in IBD Mutual Fund Index own this stock. These funds have good consistency in delivering good results year over year. Going to the fundamental side of this, so if you look here, see the relative strength is not really going in the right direction, but that's okay because I don't really I hold a lot of my positions for a while, so I'm not really concerned about that. Now when you look on the left side, the technicals of this stock, or fundamental, sorry. So if you look here, so EPS growth of 20% over the last 5 years, earning stability of 5, which is really good. Anything under 10 is good. So EPS growth is slowing down a little bit, but still 12% is pretty good. And then the rev growth is also growing. It is also supposed to grow around 12% for next year as well. Looking into a little bit more detail on that, let's go here. So this is the estimates on earnings. As we can see, it is estimated to grow healthy over the next few years, probably look a couple years out. Now, this is estimates, obviously, so there's no guarantee, there's no guarantee in any investments. And also rev growth is supposed to, or estimated to, continue to grow. Looking at the company website, so this is what they do. So they basically are involved in animal medication, companion animals. You can read that right there. So they do a great job at what they do. So if you're interested, you can further look into this. But fundamentally, this company is doing really good as well. Now let's go back here to the daily chart. So I had posted this video on 25th, and I opened my position on 25th. So it was posted the night before. So I always have a plan. If I'm going to open up a position, I always have a plan. I do my research first, and only then I would initiate. Very rarely do I call an audible during the market hours. So right now market hours are on, so I'm not really opening up any positions, or I may sell, but I may not open up in most cases. So that's where I bought this stock. So its earnings are before market opens on Tuesday. So this is the last day if anyone wants to make any decisions in regard to this, unless you trade after hours. That's a different story. I do not. So the implied move according to the option market is between this line and this line. So again, me losing money on this investment over earnings is very minimal. Now it can obviously fall underneath this blue line, and I would be in a red. Right now I'm making a little bit of money on this, but my goal is to hold this longer. I'm not sure how longer, but right now I'm going to hold it until near future. So my target on this, if I hold it for a few weeks or months, more likely months, is $208. So we'll see how this works out. So I'm going to hold this over earnings, and then I will react based on how the stock reacts to earnings, and based on price and volume. So that's all I have on this one. So again, this reports before market hours on 16. So any actions should be taken today unless you trade after hours. I hope this helps, and have a good one. Take care.